Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this ZTE Blade A31 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can add the numbers to the keyboard on this device. So if we will call up for the keyboard now, we'll see that there is no separate row for numbers, and in order to get to them you gotta tap on this button, tap on this key, and it will bring us to the separate menu. So in order to add the separate number row on top of the characters to the keyboard, all you gotta do is open up the settings. At the settings, look for the system category, languages and input, and here choose the keyboard that is currently set. In my case, and by the default, it's going to be the Gboard keyboard. Go to the Gboard, preferences, and all that it's left to do is to turn on the switch that is responsible for enabling the number row. And as you will see now, if I'll call up for the keyboard again, the separate number row has appeared on top of the characters of the keyboard of this device. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!